You're on a 3-lane motorway. There are red reflective studs on your left and white ones to your right. Which lane are you in? In the left-hand lane. On a 3-lane motorway, what does this sign mean? Use all the lanes including the hard shoulder. What should you do when going through a contraflow system on a motorway? Keep a good distance from the vehicle ahead. On which part of a motorway are amber reflective studs found? Between the central reservation and the carriageway. When are you allowed to stop on a motorway? When you're signalled to do so by flashing red lights.
What colour are the reflective studs between the lanes on a motorway? White.
You've had a breakdown on the hard shoulder of a motorway. When the problem has been fixed, how should you rejoin the main carriageway? Gain speed on the hard shoulder before moving out onto the carriageway. What's used to reduce traffic bunching on a motorway? Variable speed limits. Your vehicle breaks down on the hard shoulder of a motorway. You need to use your mobile phone to call for help. What should you do? Check your location from the marker posts on the left. You're on a 3-lane motorway. A red cross is showing above the hard shoulder and mandatory speed limits above all other lanes. What does this mean? The hard shoulder is for emergency or breakdown use only.
You are on a motorway. There is a contraflow system ahead. What would you expect to find? Lower speed limits. How should you use the emergency telephone on a motorway? Face the oncoming traffic.
What restrictions apply to new drivers holding a provisional driving licence? They can't drive on the motorway.
When may you stop on a motorway? In an emergency or breakdown?
When may you stop on the hard shoulder of a motorway? In an emergency. You're in the right-hand lane of a 3-lane motorway. What do these overhead signs mean? Move to the left and reduce your speed to 50 miles per hour.
You are approaching roadworks on a motorway. What should you do? Obey all speed limits.
Unless signs show otherwise, what's the national speed limit for a car or motorcycle on a motorway? 70 miles per hour.
You are joining a motorway. Why is it important to make full use of the slip road? To build up a speed similar to traffic on the motorway.
You're travelling along a motorway and feel tired. Where should you stop to rest? At the nearest service area.